is now a way within the CapCut app to change the duration of all of your photos at one time to make them a different duration. In the past, this was not possible. So this is a very exciting feature that I have discovered that I hope will help you out to be able to shorten or lengthen all of your photos with just one click. So as you can see, I have a project here that all my clips are about 5 seconds long right now, but I want to change all of my photos to 1 second. So if you look at the bottom left, there's a little AI icon. It's the blue one at the bottom left that looks like a little planet. I don't know what it is. Click on that. I'm just gonna, it pulled in a photo. I'm just gonna click that white dash to get rid of that photo. And now I'm going to say, change the duration of all my photos to be 1 second long. Now I hit the blue up icon to submit it. It's thinking. Oh my gosh, it did it. I'm so excited about this feature. EditPilot is what it's called. It finished your task, and look at that. All of my photos, instead of having to go into each one of them and adjusting it like this, like I used to have to do, it does it automatically. I'm so excited about this. I hope this helped you as much as it helped me.